Hi po!
Okay, finally, you will be competing internationally. No? So, can you tell us bakit it took several years bago ka compete?
Actually po nagka-problem sa worldwide. So, ako po yung pinarepresent for Tourism Universe. Since nagtitiwala po sa atin si Madam Amy, the owner of Miss Tourism. So sana hindi natin siya mapayaw. Uwi tayong may corona.
What's your preparation?
Ah, madami po, sobrang dami. Aside sa pag-prepare physically, dapat mentally and emotionally since 2 weeks po tayo sa Lebanon. So, medyo bakbakan po talaga siya.
Who's with you?
Po?
Sino kasama mo?
Ako lang talaga, independent woman, very Filipina girl.
Dala mo naman yung Philippine flag.
Yes, I'm bringing the flag of the Philippines.
Ay, kumalaban na.
Actually, parang most, mag-20 po yata, or 25. 25 na peso, yes.
More than 30.
Yes po.
Have you talked to the other countries?
Not yet po, hindi ko pa po sila namimili.
Wala pa kayo group chat? Wala.
Meron po, pero parang more on mga reminders.
So can you tell us about the pageant, the Miss Tourism Universe, right? So, ano bang advocacy ng pageant? Can you tell us more about, ano ba yung paglalabanan nyo? Do you have swimsuit din ba? Evening ng
Actually,
competition?
sa coronation night ko, parang costume lang, national costume, and then gown lang po yung labanan. So, pero the whole week, mostly swimsuit na rin po kami sa mga events. So, everyday.
How about national
labanan.
costume?
National costume po in the
So can you
coronation.
tell us, idea?
I'm wearing an Edwin Uy national costume po. So, I'm so excited. Sobrang ganda niya.
Yan, nag-post nga siya kanina eh.
Ako po, nag-post po siya. Ayan. Nag-meet po kami ulit ni Tito Edwin kasi po nanalo ako ng Best in Long Gown during the Miss Mandaluyong. So, naalala po niya yun. So, yun.
So anong mga preparation ang ginagawa mo since you won the local competition? Tapos nung nalaman mo ito ipapadala.
Actually po, parang a month ago lang ako nasa Vienna, ako yung maglalaban. So parang medyo na-pressure ako kasi ang konti na lang ng preparation na magagawa ko. Pero in God's grace, parang kinaya ko naman lahat.
For our viewers, can you tell us more about yourself?
Well, I am Krish and I'm a flight attendant po in Royal Air Philippines. I'm a content creator and I'm a TV ad model.
How old are you, girl?
I'm 27.
27.
28! Oh my gosh! Kaka-birthday ko lang July po. So, 28.
Yung educational.
Graduate po ako ng Bachelor of Science in Tourism sa Tarlac City po.
So, can you tell us your biggest
Last ko po after the Miss Tourism is Showtime. Showtime, Sexy Babe po. I got third po. Third place.
I mean, you seem to be a very good-looking representative of the Philippines in any international pageant. Parang nagulat kami. Ang ganda pala nito candidate ng Miss Tourism Universe. Bakit?
Oo nga.
So parang hindi namin nababalitaan sa World of Pageant.
Yes.
Parang gano'n, di ba?
Hindi lang kay Kuya J.
Oh. So ano ba ngayon ang plano mo sa mundo ng pageantry when it comes to, beside competing for Miss Tourism Universe and hoping to win the Miss Tourism Universe title?
Well, akala ko po talaga mag-retire na ako kasi sa age ko po parang pa-end na yung age ko for pageantry. So, binigay pa sa akin tong opportunity. So, yun, natuwa naman ako kaya ngayon parang I'm doing my best para din makilala niyo ako for the last time. Sana hindi pa, sana meron pa po. So, yun.
Ano yung mga learning experience mo from previous pageant na i-apply mo?
Sobrang dami po, like, socializing with other people. Parang sa work ko din po eh, so, pagiging flexible, and then adjusting with other people. people. So, yun po.
So aside from the crown, ano yung mga expectation mo na gusto mong mag-aim during the course of the pageant?
Well, madami po, like the experience. Siyempre, to explore Lebanon po. It's my first time to be in Lebanon. So, yun po. And then, yung production po nila, organizers nila. And then, gusto ko rin matutunan yung iba pang culture since madami akong mga kasamang from iba-ibang countries. So, yun. Excited.
Ilan yung naasahan mo makakalaban?
More or less 30 po kami. Dami rin po.
With regard to the host country, of course, you're going to be to Lebanon.
Yes po.
So parang wala namang second thought kung kailan ginagalan. Of course, it's a public knowledge naman na madalas may mga conflicts ang Lebanon.
Yes, meron daw po. Pero parang malayo na daw
Medyo
po siya.
malayo na.
Medyo malayo na. So, safe na po siya. Yeah.
Have you researched about Lebanon?
Hindi po ako nag-research kasi natatakot akong baka mag-back out na ako.
Baka makarinig ka dito.
Yes
Pero
po.
ang unang Miss Universe ng Asia ay
Ano naman?
Hindi, yung mo pala Lebanon nga pala si
Ordinary
from Lebanon.
And actually, ang dami mga good looking.
Pero Middle Eastern naman.
Sorry po. Ano po?
From Lebanon. Yung unang Middle Eastern na newspaper.
Is from Lebanon.
Ah,
How about the pageant? Can you tell us about the pageant, the Miss Tourism Universe?
we're parang more push on arts, culture, and yeah, beauty po ng tourism. So, I guess parang ito po yung pagsama-sama namin other countries para medyo magkaintindihan yung mga culture natin.
May idea ka na ba sa system kung ilan yung first cut ng semifinals, ganyan? Have any
Wala
idea?
po.
So, walang swimsuit competition?
Wala siyang swimsuit
Walang swimsuit
competition.
kasi bawal ata sa Lebanon.
Pang ilang edition ito?
Po?
Alam mo kung pang ilang edition?
Do you have any idea?
I don't have any.
You have winner na ba from the Philippines?
Meron po 2 years ago yung friend ko po, 6th runner-up po yung
Runner-up.
So ikaw pa lang ang unang magiging winner.
Hopefully!
Hopefully!
Okay na.
Yeah, kinging.
How about your evening gown? Sinong mga
Actually,
design?
sila po magpo-provide.
Sila ang magpo-provide.
Yes.
So yung not cost mo lang si...
Lahat ko sa po ang dala ko by Tito Edwin.
So, since you had only 1 month to train and prepare, saan ka medyo nag-focus talaga?
Parang nag-focus po ako emotionally kasi parang malayo siya tapos Lebanon siya. So, kailangan kong tatagan yung loob ko, lalo na mag-isa lang po ako doon. So, yeah, nag-prepare po talaga ako, nilakas ako loob ko, and then nag-pray talaga ako kay God.
Did you bring back gifts for your co-candidates? Kasi
May dala ka bang guardian?
Yeah.
OMG, hindi ako nakapagdala as a flight attendant. Oo nga, no? May papasalubong pala dapat.
Hindi na nanalo daw yung mga nagpapadala, bibigay ng guide mago, lalo sa organizer.
Parang
Pwede
we're promote ang culture ng Philippines. Well, mapopromote po natin yan. I guess, parang as me, from my personality, from my attitude, parang din po natin napapalabas na tunay na ugali ng Pilipino. So, yeah, yun pa lang, showcase na natin.
Can you tell us about the different segments? Kasi sabi mo wala naman.
Yes po.
Ano pa yung ibang?
Actually, very short lang po yung coronation. Para siguro po, introduction lang. And then, national costume. And then, gown na po siya. Yeah, yun lang.
Ang haba ng ano nyo preliminary activities na almost 2 weeks.
Yes po. Siguro po, dahil pagod na, konti na lang yung coronation, yung eksena.
Wala bang susunod na para sa'yo, para mag-support?
Wala po. Wala.
Medyo malayo
Malayo po
Lebanon.
kasi siya.
So why should you be our next Miss Tourism Universe?
Well, because I believe I possess the beauty of art and culture of a true Filipina.
Any message to our viewers, fans, family, our pageant community?
Well, thank you so much. And this is for you. This is for the Philippines. And I hope we will bring the crown this year.
Can you give us a sample of your intro?
Yes.
Ganun na lang. Name,
Age and country.
ready?
Okay, ready?
Kasi wala naman pong age.
Huwag nang age. Okay, wala namang age doon.
Miss Tourism University. Ready?
Okay. Dito muna. Para yan.
Saan po
Sa side mo, sa gitna muna.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Krisha May Abad, Miss Tourism Universe, Philippines!
Dito naman, Be. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Krisha May Abad, Miss Tourism Universe, Philippines!
Krisha May, you're originally from which part of the
Tarlac City po.
Tarlac City. So you said that you're going to show to the universe the kind of Filipina and beauty of the Filipinos through you.
Yeah.
Ang tanong ko naman, how are you going to unite the universe factor of the pageant when it comes to the other contestants from different countries? Diba? Paano ka maging representative ng iba't ibang bansa as the winner?
Parang ang hirap na tanong kaya. Final question na po ba?
Why not?
Well,
You're on TPP, Pageant Told You 101.
Mrs. Solid
OPMD, Mrs. Solid
Yeah,
Philippines.
wow.
Yeah, you have to take it
Time.
seriously.
Well,
hindi tayo na sa coffee shop.
Well, growing up po, parang I think my personality is very resilient. So I'm very flexible with other people. And I think I can be as kinakabahan ng mga
Okay, na
Okay.
Mabuti ka ba ka na ngayon?
Yes. Kasi this is the actual pageant.
Well, yun po, masasabi ko lang, I think ang kaya ko lang showcase ay my whole personality as true Filipina, and I will showcase me, myself, as a Filipina.
So, you are right here.
Yes.
So, when you get there in Beirut, ano mo magagamit yan to show yung pagiging hospital? Kasi if
Yes po.
you are dito, so nag-aano mo mga tao.
Yes po.
So, paano kayo mag-decide?
I think, not just a flight attendant po, parang mostly Filipino, very maalaga po tayo. So, automatically, nag-show na po siya in every action that we do. So, mostly tayo Filipino, we smile all the time, and then we greet all the time. So, I think yun na po yung magandang umpisa to make a good relationship with other people. So,
So, anyway, ano kayo?
Royal Air Philippines. Royal Air Philippines.
May mga voting ba online?
Parang
Wala
wala
naman.
po siya this time.
How would you define a Miss Tourism Universe winner? What to you is a Miss Tourism Universe?
Well, I would define a Tourism Universe as a Filipina who is proud to bring the beauty of culture, the not just the beauty of the Philippines, but the beauty of the people here in the Philippines.
Do we have talent competition ba? Sa
We don't have to.
How about your advice from your fellow friends or syempre,
Sorry po.
advice?
advice from our national director daw. Miss Amy ba to?
Hi, Miss Amy. Well, Miss Amy, thank you for trusting me, and I hope sana po maging proud ka sa akin, and I hope mauwi ko sa iyo yung corona at maging proud ka sa akin at maging proud yung buong Pilipinas sa atin.
Yes. And last message to our viewers. Message, yeah. Campaign your journey.
Well, sana support niyo po ako throughout the whole journey in Beirut, Lebanon. Sana po wag kayong magsawang supportahan ako kasi yun lang po yung baon-baon ko sa Beirut since ako lang mag-isa. So, sana supportahan niyo po ako till the coronation night on September 12. So, see you guys! Thank you so much!
And your social media, promote also your socials.
You can follow me po on Instagram, Krish_Pakis, Krisha Abad on Facebook. Guys, thank you.
Thank you, girl. Good luck.
Thank you.
Iuwi ang corona.
Thank you po.
Can you give us a sample of your pasarel?
1, 2, 3. Ay, wow. Wala ka. Ikot yan. That's it. Sabo. Yes, dahil dyan. Ganda oh. Ay naman, kayo naman. So, right, go.
Hi everyone, this is Krisha Abad. Please support me on my journey on Miss Tourism Universe on Great Lebanon, and I hope supportahan niyo po ako palagi and follow me on my social media, Krish_Pakis on TikTok and Instagram, and Krisha Abad on Facebook. See you guys there.